Hello, welcome back to the 80s. Hello, partner. I'm looking at this truck. Because it's come to my attention that we don't have a vehicle. Oh. Oh, my grandpa gave me this arm, blah, blah, blah. I don't know. We're gonna sell a little bit of silage here. I think they have enough food. To fatten them another day. We should probably still have to take out a small loan. Right now, let me check prices for silage. Pretty sure this is the best month. Yeah, January. Oh, not that bit of snow. Finally gonna get some of this silage here. If we have any leftover money. Yeah. I'll probably have to take out some loan. Eventually, I want to pay back all my loan. I'm not sure if that's going to happen. But at this point, I'm gonna go check up on the wheat. Alright, the wheat's dormant. Hoping to eventually get, not sure if I have it. Look at this thing, for having duals on it. So, I don't remember. Oh, I put the tools on for compacting. I was wondering why I put the tools back on, because I don't remember doing that. But whatever. That's not really a big deal. Yeah, we're just, because I don't think we have that much on loan. I'll give some to the cows. Maybe up the milk production a little bit. There's no way this is gonna... I'm gonna feed the cows. Pasture road. Pretty sure I have to do this with the trailer. I don't really want to do it with the trailer. I'll come back with the trailer. I'm hoping to only take out a $5,000 loan to get this vehicle. Actually, I could just chop a load of trees and not... That'll probably just be what I do, because... Oh. If this slides again, I'm grabbing the other tractor. Oh, this is drifting. At least we're not going to have to worry about this. Let's get the new truck. Here, I'll just make a pile of silage. Maybe we'll do some tractor drifting. Yeah, this is probably with the doors on it would probably gonna really help move. Cause this isn't even close to sliding. This is the most kitted out 786. Duals, front wheel drive, loader, cab. A lot of 786s don't even have one of these features. This thing has all of them. Why not? I'll take a scoop of silage. Cutting wood's gonna suck. No. Absolutely not. No. There you go. Come on. We're going on an adventure. Yeah, we're just gonna cut through the front yard. This tractor doesn't even notice it's snowed out. That A was sliding this thing, just casually hopping through the gears. I think the trailer, if anything, I mean it's not. I think I'll always keep this trailer. It just works so good. And it makes sense. You can pretty much haul anything with it. And it'll be realistic. Start. I'm pretty sure wood. So I'm not sure if wood is really affected by seasons. Also, stop. Stop flickering trees. You make the Wait, do cars run on this road? I've never seen traffic on this. The road's cleared, so there has to be. Also, very dangerous loader fully up in the air. So with these duals, the tractor drives a lot more stable. Yeah, his tractor just drifts. Like it's its one goal in life. It drives straight. And then I go and pull a turn. Look at this. This isn't even realistic, it's just fun. Look at that, it even drifts. I can't believe this thing doesn't pull through here. Or so I can't believe this bottoms out. This is bottoming out on nothing. I'm almost certain in real life that this tractor would. Well, if it was a John Deere, it would. Oh look, here's where I harvest the trees. I really should buy this sawmill. It might be something I look into. Maybe once we harvest that wheat. probably... Remember that. I already... Because there's a few things when we harvest the wheat. I obviously am going to buy the combine. And then I also really want to get a baler. Pick up the straw. To continue my haying. Yeah, bales are literally free money. And it's also pretty annoying having to do. I'm pretty sure I think I found the best mod that I think I'm gonna use. I think it'll work the best for this series. Pretty sure I don't have the mod enabled. Yeah, I don't even have any of my current baling equipment mods enabled. I'll have to do some testing. I think this is the tactic here. I'm curious what this... Right, this is cool. We're gonna stock this trailer up. We could probably fit another 1 or 2 trees on here, and that should probably pay for the new truck. Hopefully. Because again, we're doing a lot of running around and hauling stuff. And I just find it weird not having a truck. I honestly had not, I must have just not saved the game after I bought that car in the 60s. Because it just, I don't have it anymore. It's really weird. Because I still have the mod. But that was like 4 months ago. Yeah, this series is taking forever. This is going to be a year-long series. Yeah, I need to pick up the pace of episodes a little bit. Because doing one a week is probably not going to cut it. Probably picking it up to like 2 a week. Because really looking down the road at what we're doing here, I'm waiting for Edgewater to come out. I'll probably do a series on that. If I could get the swathing to work on other maps, then I'm gonna do it on on Ohio Richlands. But if not, I'm doing it on Edgewater. And ideally looking forward, I'm still waiting for a lot of mods to come out. Because there's a lot of mods that I want that I just don't have at the moment. I'm looking at doing a new Westby series. Since my previous one ended abruptly, and I really liked the map. And there's a lot of stuff that I want to play with on Westby. I'm having people tell me to do a 40s roleplay. Yeah, that doesn't really gonna work in this series for sure. I've actually considered doing, I am considering doing a Pioneer. That could at the rate we're going, that could replace the next series. And again, I also want to do other games. Like, my BeamNG series kind of just stopped. Because I have no idea how to do it. Because career mode's stupid boring. And nobody watched those. But, like, Squad's making a game, and I'm very much considering playing that when that comes out. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do to record it, if I'm gonna record it on mobile, or if I'm going to use a program to record mobile. I haven't decided yet. I'm just kind of leaning towards, I'm not sure if the game costs money. I'm pretty sure it probably will. So, probably if it costs money, then I'm just gonna do it on mobile. But if it's free on PC, look at this, we're stacked. Figuratively and literally. It is literally stacked. This is gonna be so fun to get up the hill. I'm just gonna pretend like that's infirmly. This is gonna suck. But honestly, I don't care. Money. My dignity appears to have expired. Still has expired. I need to come through. I might till this up and put this in a field because this would make a good. How am I gonna pull out of here? With this absolute unit. I swear I only need like 7 grand. Wait, there's barrels there. Let me move those. I didn't mean to ram into FS13 barrels. Somehow made it into this game. Sorry. Accept my apology. I'm legit mad I hit those. I have no idea why. Like, they're just barrels. Like, really, I have no reason to be mad. Like, they're barrels, but this trailer is literally about to die, and I'm just casually driving. This, I love how I got from not making it up this. I'm gonna have this. Alright. Dumb mistake in my life. Actually, not the most dumb, but pretty high up there. I can slide that in there. Yeah. If it's on there, it's fine. I'm not even sure if this is better. I don't think so. I'm pretty sure this is wider and worth less. Are we gonna make this? We're not gonna make this. Just another day. World's smallest town. Let's see here. Yeah, we're not making up this. Yeah, maybe put it in low. Just a thought, if you put it in low, then maybe it'll actually move. Maybe low 1 would even help. I'm pretty sure the loader's actually helping keep the front. Because this thing is so heavy, like, look at the back of this trailer. I'm surprised that dolly's even touching there. Because I can tell what barrel it is. It's because that's so tilted back. I should have put snow in the front, that would have probably helped. I highly doubt the A would have even made it up that. I know the Model B's definitely. The new. That didn't even sell crap. I made like tons of money. Money! Money! Holy crap. Looks like we can also expand our cattle herd a little bit. Looks like I'll be able to haul this tractor and the new truck with the new truck. I think I'm just gonna go all Angus on this. It's a little bit more money, but it's a higher payout. Other than brown Swiss. I'm gonna put the XLT tailgate on this truck. Actually, I don't know. I'll think about it. I haven't even ran this track yet, like, at all. I downloaded the mod the other day, and I think I like it a lot. Look at this. Pristine quality. I have quite a few different. I'm not sure if I don't think I could keep up 3 different series. Potentially. Well, I kind of tried to do that. And actually, I never... Yeah, I did. I like this truck. This thing could pull a full load of wood up a hill, no problem. So I never actually checked how much the sawmill was. It said like 45 something. But I'm not sure if that's what it's actually worth. But in my vehicle that goes like Mach 10, I could easily find out. This is getting annoying. Like, why am I programming myself to drive? Maybe because this map is very tight. So how do people use giant equipment on it? Which I might. It depends on where we get in the series. I'm planning on going with decent sized equipment. I don't think ginormous, but not micro stuff. Definitely not micro. Right, this finally feels... Why am I talking Australian? This finally feels kind of like an 80s series. Like I get the 80s truck, which really is helping. I'm seriously considering buying this. $100 grand, 100 G's. I don't know. It's something to think about. If taking out a 100 grand loan and really picking up making wood products is something I would consider doing. Let me know in the comments if you want to see me do wood on a large scale, because right now we just sell it. You just sell it. I gotta feed the cows. I'm gonna feed the cows. I'm gonna buy a few Angus. I don't think a crazy amount. Six. No, I'll go up to 8. I at least have some money left over. I might just feed them off camera. Actually, no. Let me check how long the video is so far. Yeah, well, feeding them is not going to take too long. Why am I using this? I'm just gonna fill this thing full with grass and then just give it to them. And then skip a day, and then that'll be the next episode. I think that'll work. Because I think the cows are gonna calve next next episode. I don't know. Because I might skip a few days before we get to the next episode. I'm gonna sleep on it because I want to get the next decade started. Ideally tomorrow. Tomorrow or next week. Again, I'm still considering weigh all my options. Sleep on how I want to do the next episode. Because this is the 80s. But I'm not going to give anything away if you guys are cultured and know things about farming. Then you're probably going to know what's going to happen. Make sure to blah 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 and blah blah blah. Cows are probably gonna run out of food next. But I'm very excited for the next episode. In the 90s, just because we're gonna harvest the wheat and make some bales. Maybe we'll upgrade some equipment. We still have to finish the 80s. This is probably gonna be we upped our cow herd. I'm just gonna run this thing over to the front and I'm just gonna tip in every little bit of stuff we have up here. Yeah. All right. No. No, partner. Oh. Man, the snow went away. That's all for this episode. Bye.